4 minutes heads up. That is correct. All right, we're going to go live on the horn. Be ready. Less than 5. Carpoletti gapping in just a little bit, 8/10. Sarge, Fowler, and Zachary battling for that 2, 3, and 4. McKinley dropping back just a little bit. Carpoletti a 3:51, trying to pull away. This is race 15. Up next, race 16. Sec 10, A main.
Three minutes left.
Carpoletti clicking off 3 6s consistent. Up to a 1.8 second lead over Sarge. Fowler is 8/10 back from Sarge. Zachary 4/10 back from Fowler. Carpoletti's lead 2.6 seconds now over Sarge. We are 150 in, 2:10 to go. Closes battle on the clock right now is Fowler and Zachary for the number 3 spot. 6/10 of a second, now 5/10 of a second gap. Fowler under the driver's stand. Right now, white car, pink car. Behind him is Zachary. That is for the number 3 position. Fowler and Zachary. Carpoletti up to 3.4 second lead right now. Fowler lets him go. I heard him say he's got nothing. Zach looking strong out there. Our leader working his way through the field right now. 1 minute left.
1 minute left.
$45 seconds. Carpoletti, Sarge,
45 seconds
Zachary,
left.
Fowler, McKinley. Oh, careful. Oh my goodness.
30
That was
seconds
close.
left.
$15 seconds.
15 seconds left.
Five seconds.
Done. Jeff Harris done. Zach Shudberg done.
All right, that is a
Sarge
wrap.
done. Chris Fowler done.
Carpoletti